Alright guys, YowieChaser. So it'll be part 2. I don't know what this is called. It's in a sign saying maroon. There's a little campground down in there. So yeah, this road here, there's a few gates you got to go through. It's like a fire's going through not long ago. Yeah, there's a few gates, but it takes you up to Mount Barney. Be a nice little spot when there's water going through here. Obviously there was a flood through here not long ago. Not long ago. I don't know if you can see how steep that is. My little car would spin all the way up there. And it gets worse because that's still smooth. Let's go for a walk up here. It's supposed to be a waterfall here. I've never seen it, so I can't tell you. Just another thing that I was listening to, one of them guys, they was saying, you know, when we see sticks and all that across trails, well apparently, I don't know who it was, the gorillas or monkeys, one of them, they actually, in the wild, leave them at the start of trails, so game trails, so they know where the others went, like, so they do it. So they know that. Well, this is sort of like the other place, eh? Only you don't have to walk up a steep hill. Man, I heard noises up in there, I swear. Oh, keep going. Hey, dog man, your tracks. Little claw marks. It's pretty cool, eh? Well, it's pretty deep. You'd swim in there. It's fairly deep. Cave happening. That's a good little shot of that. Let's get up there and have a look. Looks like Brett's been here. And this is a sick little shelter. Couple of Yowie cook-ups. Let's keep going. Nice little creek. There's some weird noises out here. This wouldn't be too bad at night, guys. I'd walk here at night, so I feel safe here. Here's a waterfall. I just walk past that. One little rock. There's another view of that cave. I can see the little waterfall. Wow. I heard a noise, eh? Sounds like it's coming from in the rocks. Might be someone up here. Fairly deep in there too. Oh, it's looking good up here. I can't believe I haven't been down here. I swear I'm hearing people talk. Never. Don't expect it to be like that. Wow, this place is amazing. This is definitely a Yowie bath. For sure. Probably jumped from up there down. Not bad. Bit of a cave happening in there. Alright guys, I'll go for a walk up through there I think. Alright, see you on the next one.